हाँ तो जब तक क्या कर सकते हैं, ये व्हाट आर दीज इक्विपमेंट वी कैन एक्सप्लोर, है ना? प्लीज हेल्प। देखो बाय केबल
माया बोल रहे? नहीं नहीं मैं अच्छा हो गया
साउंड नहीं यार, ओपन नहीं हो रहा है। आप लोग फ्रंट में देखते हैं ना, गेट पे लिखा हुआ है पीएम कंसंट्रेशन।
सो दिस
इसके थ्रू
नहीं चेंज होता रहता टाइम टू टाइम। नोटिस किया एक बार 0.7 एक बार 0.6 रोज रोज
बेटा ऐसे नहीं है, भी हो सकता है।
नहीं, पर एम्स के सामने वाला का अलग रीडिंग आता है, इससे एनआईटी वाले के वाला ना सबका जो सोर्सेज है डिफरेंट डिफरेंट सोर्सेज है। अभी देखो
भी हो गया
और कोई ट्राई करो। चलो भाई हमारा वो आ रहा है जंगल ओपन करके
कोई बात नहीं, वी हैव दिस
तो स्टार्ट इससे स्टार्ट कर देते हैं मैंने। चलो आ जाओ, ठीक है इसको हम स्टार्ट करते हैं। Okay, first one, this is high volume sampler. Okay, for monitoring the SPM, suspended particulate matter. Anyone can define suspended particulate matter?
सर जो पार्टिकल्स एयर में सस्पेंडेड रहते हैं।
And what do we have? PM 2.5, PM 10.
पार्टिकुलेट मैटर 2.5
Particulate PM 2.5 means
सर उनका डायमीटर
less than 2.5 micron size. PM 10 means
less
less
than
than 10. Okay. Okay. So you can see three different samplers. This is for suspended particulate matter for size up to 50 microns. Up to 50 micron size. Okay, this sampler, and this is the experiment dust sampler for PM10. Okay, PM10 micron size, 10 micron size, less than 10 micron size. We will use this experiment dust sample. Okay, then next is PM2.5. For PM2.5, we will use this fine particulate sampler, APM 550. Okay, this is for PM2.5. Okay, this inlet will enter allow only PM2.5 lesser than 2.5 micron size particles only. Okay, So you can see 3 and up to 50 micron, 10, PM10 and PM2.5. Okay. How to use? Yeah, this is filter paper. This is different types of filter paper available in market. This is glass fiber filter. Another one is quartz fiber filter. Okay, quartz fiber filter and this is glass fiber filter. अभी ये दिख रहा है? To clean white. Okay, this will be placed here. And close. And then we will run the sampler for 24 hour, 12 hour or 8 hour, depending on the season. Depending on the season. Suppose in summer and in winter. तो winter में क्या होना चाहिए? What should be the in winter? This sampler will run for 8 hour, 8 hourly or 12 hourly or 24 hour. Then we have to replace the filter paper. In winter season, 24 hour or 8 hour?
8 hours.
Why 8 hour?
More pollution is there.
More pollution because of this. Okay, now you can see after running the sampler for 8 hours, clean white था कैसा हो गया? Now done. ना दिख रहा है? This is pollution of Raipur city. Raipur city. And date. No, one second. Okay, different dates. Okay, you can see here also. If daytime ka, the color of the filter paper for day timing and for night timing different रहेगा. Night time में dark black रहेगा because of industrial pollution and because of the wind velocity, lesser wind velocity. And other, most important is boundary layer, mixing layer depth. Mixing layer depth क्या होता है? Anyone can? Mixing layer depth. It is the height at which adiabatic lab state and environmental lab state intersect, or it is the height up to here the pollutant can be dispersed. Up to pollutant can be dispersed. Okay, in winter it is shallow. In summer it is. Okay, so because of that mixing layer depth and environmental lab state and adiabatic lab state, pollution is heavy as during winter season as compared to summer. After paragliding, what is the favorable time for paragliding? Paragliding करते हैं ना? So what is the suitable time for paragliding? Afternoon, na? Because afternoon. Why afternoon? Because
Wind pressure.
because of left side again mixing layer height. Mixing layer height is high during the 2 to 4 p.m. Environmental left side means as we go higher, there will be decrease in the temperature, है ना? तो ELR होता है, एक होता है ALR, adiabatic left side. Adiabatic left side loss in fixed constant है. Environmental left side is prevailing current. So where ELR and ALR intersect, that height is mixing layer height. And it is high in winter again same and night maybe as compared to some daytime. You can see this and okay. So further this first we will weigh the initial filter weight of initial filter paper. तो उसका weight कितना है? 2.6 gram. 2.6 gram of filter paper initial weight of. Then we will place this.
Okay, this one will again be.
And again. Okay, then we will run the sampler and after specified duration 8 hours, 12 hours, or 24 hours. Okay, during rainy season generally 24 hours in each other. But in during winter we have to replace with 8 hours. Because of same. ज़्यादा है ना?
सर तो ऐसा भी तो हो सकता है कि वो जो फिल्टर पेपर है उसको हम चेंज करेंगे अकॉर्डिंग टू द पॉल्यूटेंट विच वी आर फोकसिंग ऑन. Because some are measured at 8 hourly average, some are 24 hourly average.
It is fixed. We can analyze further species by this. Okay,
Yes.
we can cut this filter paper into small pieces, and then we can perform the digestion. Okay, digestion. Then we can determine the concentration of various elements, elemental composition by the AA's atomic absorption spectrophotometry. Say about 64 elements you can analyze of with the help of this with the help of double A's by performing the digestion and cutting of this filter paper into small pieces and performing digestion in lab. Okay, so we can analyze further. This filter paper can be further analyzed. Okay, कि इसमें how कितना है? रायपुर में क्या ज्यादा आएगा? Which element which heavy metal will be higher?
Mercury.
Mercury आता है? Iron. है ना? Iron. और क्या ज्यादा आएगा? Which element
Lead.
have heavy metal? Nickel. Mn. Okay, why? Because of metals. Because of Indian sponge iron पूरा है ना, पूरा बैल्ट है, गोगांव, उड़ला, सिलचरा, ये सारे क्या बैल्ट? Okay, most important is another thing.
Sir, is the system is itself giving any alarm? कि अब आपको ये निकाल देना.
No.
So
Just
you have to take care of this 8 hours.
just depending on the season and depending on the ambient environment. आपको लग रहा है कि manufacturer is no, it depends on the it is based on the experience you can run this.
Ma'am, this is a simple thermometer.
It is simple. This is the meter cube per minute. This flow rate of air. Okay, suction rate of this instrument. So generally 0.8 say 1.2 meter cube per minute we can fix. So generally for easy calculation we can fix 1 meter cube per minute flow rate of air. And
Okay, here we can control
by
from where it is coming.
this flow rate you can fix the
Flow rate of air.
flow rate of air, suction rate of this. We can control. 0.8 से 1.2. So generally 1 meter cube per minute flow rate of this sector. Yeah. For PM 2.5 it is 16.67 liters per minute. It is fixed for PM 2.5. But for respiratory sampler and high volume sampler we can fix as per our it's a 0.8 or 1.2 or 1. Generally 0.8 से 1.2.
So these all are a standard ones, sir. You
Standard.
have to follow this only.
Standards.
So there is no trial and error for this one for setting the parameters for taking that.
It depends on it is
But city wise, it will vary, na? This is only for the Raipur city.
in all for all
For
cities,
device.
for device it is
Set for the that's the first one. And it is not the second. That's the how much you have to manage.
All
The
are
device is always
waterproof.
correct.
Equipment are waterproof.
This is the inlet cap through which the air enters inside the pipe. Okay, then here the air passes, and again it could have been open here. You can see the same assembly, that flow rate. Okay, actually that is required for calculation of particular concentration, that PM 2.5 concentration. How we are going to estimate that is PM 2.5 or PM in not in this case, in this, because fine particulate sample will be used for estimation of PM 2.5, that is fine matter. So weight of that filter paper, as sir explained you that the initial and the final weight you have to note down. Okay. Even after, before following that procedure, you have to condition the filter paper. What we have to do, what it means conditioning, desiccator is available in the laboratory. After this session, we will have a short visit in that laboratory also. In the desiccator, the initial filter paper, you have to keep it over there for 24 hours. So that what happens, now we are holding, sir is holding this filter paper. So whatever moisture is present in the atmosphere, it should not hamper or it should not affect the concentration of pollutants for that particular 24 hours of time period. Okay, as defined by this CPCP, with 24 hours of time, it will what that material silica beads will absorb that moisture from this filter paper. This is known as preconditioning and post conditioning. Even after taking the reading, what we have to do, we have to keep that filter paper after taking the sampling procedure before taking the final weight, and we also before taking the initial. Okay, so these two things we have to follow. Then we will be having the actual weight pollutant concentration. We will be having
concentration of particulate matter. See, W2 minus W1. Okay.
yeah
Divided by volume of air.
Okay.
So volume of W2 minus W1 is particle weight minus physical weight divided by V. V is the volume of air. This can be calculated by Q into T. Q is the flow rate. So as discussed, 1 meter cube per minute multiplied by the duration of sampling. Suppose 8 hours, 12 hours, or 24 hours. So Q into T, okay, volume of air, and W2 minus W1 divided by V multiplied by 10 to the power 6 gram to microgram. Because microgram per meter cube, the concentration of particulate matter unit. Okay, measurement. Microgram इसमें तो 10 to the power 6 का. Okay. इसमें आपका 16 points ये in PM2.5 the flow rate is fixed of instrument. कितना है 16.67 liters per minute. And generally it is for run for 24 hours. Okay, 24 hours it is for all the for all the season. 24 hours and again okay again the size of filter paper is 47.
yes.
47 mm dia filter paper will be used for PM2.5.
Okay.
And for respirable dust sampler and for high volume sampler, 8 by 10 inch size filter paper will be used. 8 by 10 inch glass fiber or quartz fiber. And for PM2.5, okay. For PM2.5, this 47 mm effective diameter 46.2 diameter filter paper will be used. Okay, again same procedure for this also. Initial weight and difference between the weight divided by volume of air multiplied by 10 to the power 6 for conversion. Yes. Okay. And this can be also further analyzed for morphology also. Structure of this by morphology morphological structure we can distinguish the sources
Sources of that pollutant.
sources of the pollutant.
Yes.
We can even we can distinguish the petrol engine and diesel engine as per the morphology of particles. Okay, this is and this can be this can be analyzed for the heavy metal and sulfate, nitrate, chloride, all ionic species,
All chemical bondings.
all.
What is the source for lead in air? Lead.
Lead.
What is the source from where it is? What kind of
industrial, different industrial and paint
industry?
paint industry, and as per that for steel electroplating industry na metal
Actually, you are saying that this is a very small area and all the components can also segmentized which are the pollutant. So, which type of techniques normally we are using for separating this pollutant?
for this generally for elemental composition we will use atomic absorption spectrophotometry.
So, directly we will send this input to that one.
No, we will cut again same thing. Two techniques, non-destructive technique and destructive technique.
Inside this is a grid type structure inside of that filter paper. The grid type structure is inside of that one for cutting this.
No,
we can
just
cut
wait. by weight or by portion, half portion for
So
calculation.
sometimes we are using that type of things for that. Suppose we want to take up the left hand side portion, right hand side portion.
No.
Only in a quarter.
Evenly, na, because particle matter evenly distributed, na. So, so we can cut half or quarter or full.
It's very complex.
Yes. Various technique available for analysis also. Destructive technique, in destructive technique we will cut this, then digest in the lab, and again we can analyze in the in double S or ICP-MS. So this is destructive, but in other FTIR it is non-destructive technique. Okay, FTIR will give the also elemental composition without cutting, without digestion, without restricting this. Okay. Then
So my question is that because these are our devices, and here I think the electric connections are also there. So the environmental hazards like that heavy raining, all these things not affect your device.
for that blank connection, blank filter paper also.
No, sir. My question is that बहुत बारिश हो रही है, चीजें हैं, you keep on in an open area. So the device point of view, what the precautions you have to take care of?
So is there any chances of
The short circuit and
short circuit and all, because the power will be continuously on for a continuous period of time?
We can check the total running by this.
What is the normal life of that?
By this our na, if we run the sampler for 20, if we fix the sampling time 24 hours. Okay, so we can check
Automatically that gets stopped.
we can check here also. Suppose any shut down, electricity shut down.
So we can check.
We can check that 24 hours or 8 hours. Okay, जो कि 24 hours अपने run किया है, but you can check in total running hours. Yes, इसमें भी है.
Means the human monitoring is required there. There is no automations for monitoring that device.
For automation, next technique is beta ray attenuation. Continuous air quality monitoring system. Continuous air quality monitoring system, but technique is different. This technique is gravimetric technique, because gravimetric is we are taking the weight now. By initial weight and final weight. But in that technique, beta attenuation monitor, BAM, beta attenuation monitor. This beta ray is allowed to pass through press filter. Okay, first now the beta ray is allowed to pass through press filter, clean filter. Okay, then it is then again beta ray is allowed to pass through the filter deposited filter. अब क्या करेंगे? पहले प्रेस फिल्टर से बीटा रे पास किया. Okay, then after running the sampler for 1 hour, so some deposit will be there on filter paper. Then again beta ray is allowed to pass through deposited filter paper. So दो चीज हो गया, from press filter and then deposit. So there will be attenuation. So by that we can determine the concentration of particulate matter. वहाँ भी PM2.5, PM10 we can analyze. वो हो रहा है, वहाँ दिख रहा है. और by this method also we can analyze. This is gravimetric method, and that is beta.
But here we have to take the readings and all. They are directly
giving that is continuous air quality monitoring without human. But again, same filter paper we have to change.
Okay, there also.
There also. Filter paper change करना है.
Same way like 8 hours.
So that's why you are asking that question. No? Have you seen that one that values change or not? So it's depending upon your that filter paper you have changed or not.
Yes. I know ना कब change हुआ है कब नहीं हुआ है.
So how we can rely you have changed that filter paper, then only it is affecting that.
So every day you are changing the filter paper?
Depends on the season.
Okay.
Depends on the season. Depending on season, one roll of filter paper, how much.
I think most of the students understand the point. What the
main thing is, okay. Second thing, Windows diagram. Without Windows diagram, we can't blame any industry. आपको mining है again suppose suppose we want to plan any industry, then there should be some base ना, क्या base होना चाहिए? या तो आपका modeling based on some data और Windows diagram. तो जनरल अभी क्या है, विंड का फ्लो कहाँ किस डायरेक्शन में फ्लो हो रहा है? नॉट
डायरेक्शन में तो बहुत
विंड का फ्लो
इधर विंड का डायरेक्शन का मॉनिटरिंग
अब उधर लगे. Wind is generally because we are having the data for last 40 years ना, IMD का data 40 years का data है. Winters basically
north to south.
not
North to south.
during मैडम रायपुर में पोल्यूशन कब होता है?
विंटर
आफ्टर 15 अक्टूबर.
और
15 से
बहुत
20 अक्टूबर
कार्बन
के
होता
बाद
है, बहुत ब्लैक
And north there shelter and other
and wind flows generally mainly from northeast. From northeast it is coming and all the nested clusters
are there in northeast
located in
हाँ
ये सारे
yeah.
mainly
Kurla.
northeast and during rainy season monsoon में क्या है, which monsoon is कौन सा monsoon is monsoon for rainfall south west. So during monsoon season winds flowing from south as southwest monsoon है southwest से.
Sir, what is the maximum concentration of respirable suspended particulate matter found here?
60
Means here in Raipur.
नहीं standard.
No, standard is there na that 140 and 60. But in Raipur means average any means what you have found in some of your studies if any possible. But at max means how much is it exceeded somewhere? Okay, more than 100 means there is one under 140 microgram per meter cube. It is for respirable suspended particulate matter, and for non-respirable suspended particulate matter, it is around 60 microgram per meter cube. Na? So it has exceeded above that, na? Okay. Exceeds, na?
That's why focusing on that point. That Raipur is an industrial zone.
Industrial zone, okay.
And also windows diagram एयरपोर्ट का डिजाइन लेआउट एयरपोर्ट का रनवे रायपुर का किस डायरेक्शन में है एयरपोर्ट का आप आते होंगे तो रनवे का डायरेक्शन
नहीं for takeoff it is
for you if you want to develop any industrial cluster and your city is already established city and if you want new industrial cluster then windows diagram taken into consideration. अब यहाँ तो क्या है सारे इंडस्ट्री कहाँ है नॉर्थ ईस्ट डेवलपमेंट भी पहले से यहाँ.
The windrose diagram provides you three details, na? Direction, frequency, and velocity. Okay, so from that.
Airflow, the device is already placed.
Already this same type of instrument was installed at एक जयसम चौक पे
हाँ वहाँ पे भी है.
एक जयसम चौक में एयरपोर्ट पे है.
एक बहुत बड़ा इंसिडेंट हुआ था हेलीकॉप्टर वाला उसके बाद और भी बड़े सारे डिवाइस
हाँ other technique is also there. Other technique also there.
Thank you so much.
SOX. Okay, by this instrument, one attachment is there, gaseous sampling attachment. Gaseous sampling attachment, by gaseous sampling attachment, we can analyze SOX, NOx, and CO.
Okay.
Directly concentration it is providing, sir.
Lot of
Calculation is there.
Calculation and laboratory work.
Okay.
In this method, lot of laboratory work required.
It's not
Okay,
easy. We are
okay.
getting that one as a
For
tabular
analysis-
wise. It's not
for
getting
analysis
the
of-
easy to take all the parameters.
For
in a
analysis
one
of
shoot
SOX and
only.
MAX, lot of
Efforts is required.
chemical
yes.
and reagents required. But for that technique, did you say correctly? Simply ultraviolet fluorescence
UV.
technique and FID technique and chemiluminescence technique. Chemiluminescence technique for NOx measurement, ultraviolet fluorescence technique for SOX measurement, okay? And FID for CO measurement. Directly we will get the value NOx, SOX and CO. But in this, you have to attach gases sample attachment. Then air is allowed to. Okay, that's one impinge tube is here. Impinge tube में क्या रहेगा? Chemicals रहेंगे. We will fill the chemicals in the impinge tube. Air is allowed to enter into impinge tubes. The chemicals will absorb the specific gas and followed by the titration method in laboratory.
So can we get that NOx values from your data? Because in India nowadays we are facing the problem of that cancer patients are rising more now. Okay, and the reason behind is for the NO2 concentration in the water.
Nitrite.
Nitrate.
Okay, let me remove nitrate.
इस water पे भी इधर भी
nitrate was देखिए आप क्या ये पूरा ऐसा
कितना कितना वेट लेता है भाई क्या भी सिंपल प्लेटेड डाला उसको डिफरेंस कितना कितना मिलेगा
800 तक की रीडिंग है ना
मैक्सिमम कितना डिफरेंस को मान रहे हैं
800 तक भी पहुंचा है दिवाली के आसपास
पटाखे जब
हाँ एक बार दिवाली में लास्ट ईयर दिवाली में कम था नहीं उसके लास्ट टाइम ना तो कोविड के टाइम पे कम था
वो हमने ऑनलाइन जैसे
उसको कंपेयर किया यू कैन आल्सो एनालाइज सेम थिंग फ्रॉम सैटेलाइट फ्रॉम जियोवेनी platform you can
geosensor data
Which platform?
Giovanni.
Giovanni. It is
Giovanni satellite platform. You can also analyze नहीं होगा. You can get the
data.
You can get the values of all the locations worldwide. The location. And we are having one sensor also. Actually, already received one sensor from NASA. Purple layer. लेकिन अभी उसको आप चेक कर सकते हो पर्पल एयर we already received one sensor from NASA under citizen scientist campaign वो घर पे है मेरे यहाँ मतलब ठीक है रेसिडेंशियल भी और सब चीज कवर करना है तो एक बार कुछ दिन तक रेसिडेंशियल लोकेशन में कुछ दिन इंडस्ट्रियल लोकेशन so we can same thing we can determine the particular matter by three different methods.
Okay.
एक तो particle counter, light scattering, beta attenuation, sabimetry.
ठीक है
ये ना 4 minutes. By 4
नहीं मैंने करवा दिया
analyze.
हाँ you can talk to them अगर होगा तो मेरे कैबिन में भिजवा दें
हाँ पर्पल एयर you can अभी देख लो उसको
मैंने भिजवा दिया था
पर्पल एयर live air quality. So अभी you can retrieve the data of any location worldwide. Worldwide. पर्पल एयर लाइव उसका अपने पास सेंसर है वो भी रायपुर का भी नहीं दिखाया क्योंकि वो अभी ऑफ करते हैं उससे क्या है कि कनेक्टिंग थोड़ा सा करना है पर्पल एयर है पर्पल एयर पत्ती पॉइंट and in map now you can locate your location in
These all things are in realistic mode. आपको और अच्छे से समझ में आना ये चीजें कैसे हो रही है, क्या चल रही है, तो पढ़ लिखा है, जो तो पढ़ लिया उनको
और for mining के लिए बहुत important है environmental impact assessment ये होती है ना माइनिंग के लिए आपको अभी डेली आप पेपर देखते हो क्या देखते हैं तो पब्लिक हियरिंग होती है पब्लिक हियरिंग होती है सपोज एनी इंडस्ट्री एनी न्यू इंडस्ट्री और एक्सपेंशन ऑफ एनी अप्रूवल ऑफ द मिनिस्ट्री ऑफ या ये है ना ऐसे छत्तीसगढ़ में है ये सब यही रिपोर्ट के लिए क्या है कि पूरा या ये रिपोर्ट and what the assessment impact assessment environmental impact assessment due to any activity or due to any project before the project during the project and after the project जैसे बिफोर द प्रोजेक्ट अगर हो सकता है कि कोरबा का जो पोल्यूशन पहले होगा बिफोर एनटीपीसी कितना होगा कम होगा आफ्टर एनटीपीसी
जैसे अप्लाइड जियोलॉजी तो पूरा वाटर पे यही चीज कर रहा है ना लगे सर लोग जो हैं वो पूरा एयर पे कर समझ ली क्यों कर रहे हैं बिकॉज वी वांट टू सेव द
पाल के दिखा रहा है यहाँ के लोकेशन कोई नहीं है ओनली वन लोकेशन अपना वो भी आ जाएगा है ना अभी एक दो दिन में करने वाला हूँ तो you can see in this platform live air quality अवन है ना वो भी नहीं है अभी साइटोजिन पूरा देखो मैप में साइटोजिन एक भी नहीं है ना भोपाल में भोपाल और पूरा ब्लैक दिख रहा है ना इस एरिया में पूरा ब्लैक है पूरा
तो इस पर मेरा नंबर है ना
पूरे
तो तुमको नहीं दे
पूरे
मतलब सर आप लोग को अट्रैक्ट नहीं देना है कि कुछ काम नहीं हो रहा करना चाहिए और जगह जगह पे इन चीजों को ध्यान नहीं दे रहे जैसे कोविड आ गया तो उसका क्या हुआ थैंक यू सर
ये है ना तो ये इसमें बहुत
बट सर थोड़ा सा यहाँ पे कोई एक मॉनिटरिंग के लिए बंदा रहना सेट करे देखे एनालाइज करे इतना